How to fix no GPS signal lost in Realme P3. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option battery. Now click on it and then scroll down and click on power saving settings and then click on screen battery optimization. Now here you can turn off your screen battery optimization. If you turn on these buttons, then turn it off. After that, go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and in last you can see the option erase all data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents, everything will be removed in your device. Now click on it and enter your password to do factory data reset. After that your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.